So now let's move on to the next topic, that is estimation of a balance related with the current accounts. Now in the current account, as we have studied, there are three components. First is goods, export and import of goods. Second is services, export and import of services, which includes factor as well as non-factor services. And the third is current transfers, which are transfers for free like donation and gifts. Clear? So all of these components have to be having a side of receipt and having a side of payment. So the balance between receipt and a payment will be the balance of current account. Clear? So herein we are having major four types of balances under current account. First is trade balance, second is goods and services balance, third is invisible balance, and fourth is current account balance. This is the last ultimate balance of the current account, which will be calculated after estimating the all things. Clear? First of all, let's talk about the trade balance. Let me tell you very clearly, here trade includes only the trade of visible goods. Visible goods means that can be touched, that can be seen, like cell phones, clothes, etc., which are being exported and imported. So here we take only the balance of visible items. Clear? So how we can calculate the trade balance? Export minus import of goods only. Here we are taking only goods which are being exported and imported. So whatever the payment receipts we are getting from the export, here X denotes exports and M denotes imports. Clear? Whatever the payment we are getting from the export of goods minus whatever the payment we are making for import of the goods, their balance or their difference is known as balance of trade or trade balance. Clear? This is known as BOT over trade balance. BOT means balance of trade. Clear? This is balance of trade, and how it is calculated? Export of goods minus import of goods. Clear? Next is goods and services balance. Here we take the visible goods as well as the services, but keep that in mind, in this we do not take factor services. Here we take only non-factor services. Here we take only non-factor services. We do not consider here the factor services. The receipt and payment on account of factor services is not included here. Clear? So here goods and services balance is taken, wherein the goods balance, which is export and import of good, as we did earlier, and services means export and import of non-factor services. Clear? So how can we calculate the good and services balance? Export of goods and non-factor services means the total of export of goods and non-factor services, their total, minus import of goods and non-factor services. Whatever the goods are being imported or non-factor services are being imported, the payment for them is the total of import of goods and non-factor services. Clear? So what is here? This is the balance of trade and this is the balance of non-factor services. When you gonna add them up, that is the goods and services balance. Clear? So what we are taking here? Export of goods, visible goods and non-factor services minus import of goods and non-factor services. This is termed as goods and services balance. Clear? The next is invisible balance. Invisible balance means all the services balance we are considering here, factor as well as non-factor. Again, I repeat the same thing. Here we did not consider the factor services. Clear? Here we only took the non-factor service, but here we are taking both service as well as non-factors. Here we are taking the factor as well as non-factor services. Clear? Non-factor services, both we are including here. Clear? Plus current transfers also. Clear? Invisibles are there for services and current transfers, so both are included here. So this is export of services plus current transfer, means whatever we are donating to the rest of the world, that is also here. Whatever we are receiving from rest of the world as donation, that is recorded here. And whatever the export of services we are doing, for which we are having the receipts, these are taken here. Clear? And these services include both factor and non-factor services, both. But here we taken only non-factor services. Here we are taking both services, factor as well as non-factor. Clear? So here export of services plus current transfers minus import of services and current transfer. Clear? So the difference between them is invisibles balance. Now we know three components are there. First is export and import of goods, second is export and import of services, and third is export and import of current transfers. Clear? So all these three have been dealt with, or the balances have been calculated in the third and first. Here is the balance of goods, trade, and here is the invisible balance, means services and current transfer. Clear? So when we gonna calculate the current account balance, we gonna add these two. The first is trade balance, means the balance on account of export and import of goods only, and invisible balance means the balance on account of services and current transfers. Clear? When we gonna add these two, we are having the current account balance. Okay, so these are the how we gonna estimate the balance related to the current account.